Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow fish. Let's learn together how to draw the fish. Let's get started. At first, I'm going to draw a big oval shape for the body of our fish. Now let's draw its big, cute eyes and its smiling mouth. I draw a line here to divide its face from the rest of its body. Now I draw its fins and its tail. I divide all of them with lines because I want to color them with the colors of the rainbow soon. Finally, I draw its scales all over its body. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start here with its scales: red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple. Now I continue with its fins: fuchsia, pink, aqua green, mint, and cream. Now down here again: red, orange, yellow, dark green. Now its tail: red again, orange, yellow, then green, dark blue, and mauve. I color its face with this mint marker. Let's add some blue wavy lines into the background because this cute fish deserves a C. Wow, it looks great! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.